Hey everyone! So my friend Deborah has been asking me to do a feather pour for a few weeks now, and I've been putting it off. I've never done one, so I thought, well, we will do one for her and see how it comes out. So I already cut pieces of yarn that are the length of the canvas and just a tad longer. And I'm going to be using some earth tone colors just to give it more of a natural look. So I'm going to lay paint on the length of the canvas so I know that I have enough colors to blend into the feather. This is Soho Raw Umber. And then we're going to use the Lucas Terracotta. And I have some Craft Smart Deep Bronze Metallic. I thought it'd be nice to have a little metallic in there. Be pretty when it dries. And then the Lucas Indian Yellow. Now I cut 4 pieces because I may have to do some adjustments. So I'm going to take this yarn and I'm going to stick it down in the paint. Use my skewer to get it covered. Doesn't matter if I get a few other colors in there. I'll give it a more natural look. And this paint does have silicone, so we're going to get some cells. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and pick it up. And when you put it on the canvas, you want it to go the way you want your feather to go. So, oops, and I already dripped. Alright. So it's down. So now I want to pick it up on the edge. No, I think I want to go this way. I've never done one, so this is all new for me. Trying really hard not to lose any color. Okay. May have to try one of these without silicone just to see what it would look like. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing, if it will behave. Let's cover up that yarn, because we're going to lay it right down where we laid the other one. Go right on that same line. We can fix that end. I'm not worried about that. I want to touch that down just a smidge. Seems to just be sitting there on top. Okay, so now we're going to pull this one. Alright, now I want to take just some brown for the center. So I'm going to lay a strip down. Maybe I'll put some bronze in there too. Now we're going to just put that down the middle. a second. I guess it doesn't really matter which way you pull it, but I'm going to come this way. I better go that way. So I got a lot of feather and not a lot of bare space. But I do want to play with this little end here. So I'm going to just take a little piece of yarn just to pull this corner off here. And I still have my other brown one, so. Go in with my skewer and see if I can fix that edge. Whoops, I got a little bit on there. All fixable. Just take it and wipe it off. Grab some fresh white and dab it on there. No big deal. I'm going to bring it just over the edge. I'm going to try another one too, so we'll see how this goes. That's interesting. I have to fix that gob right there. Turn it around so you can see it. Not bad for my first attempt. We'll see how it dries. I don't think I want to torch it because I think then we'll get too much cell action going on. It's going to adjust by itself. But that's it. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click below and click on that bell. You'll be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share, and please leave a comment. Join our Facebook group, The Parage Posse, with Christina Welch. I also have my art page, Christina Welch Art, on Facebook. We have paintings available in our Etsy shop. If you use the code POSSE at checkout, you'll get 50% off your paintings from now until the end of February. And that goes for jewelry too. I'm trying to clean out my Etsy shop so I can put lots of new stuff in there. So my loss is your gain for sure. Join us every Monday night for our live pouring show. Alan, my husband Alan, and I do about 4 or 5 paintings. We're on from 9 to 11 Eastern Time. And if you are looking for supplies, check out our Etsy shop. I'm sorry, my Amazon shop. That link is below, and there are so many other links below, and also our fan page. My fan mail. Post office box address is below as well. And if you want to support the channel and get in on our quarterly giveaways, my PayPal link is below as well. That was a lot. I need a chart here that tells me everything I need to tell you guys every time I do a video. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye now.